I want to talk about passing the guard with knee and hip control. If I'm down in the guard, shooting for my underhook right away is great, but if I'm outside of the guard here, I really want to be able to control his legs on my way into these positions. So I'm just going to find my hand on his hip with my elbow inside tracking his thigh and my hand on his knee. And then from here, my head position, depending on what he does, is really important. I need to be winning this head fight either in his face or in his chest. So as we come in and lay someone down here, I really need to be tracking this. He wants to probably lasso me here or get inside with a knee shield, and I want to just be tracking that thigh with my elbow and tracking that knee. And if I just stay heavy here, it's hard for him to go anywhere. It's hard for him to move. I can literally just walk around and past that and keep my head in tight and move through there. Or I can hit the knee slice from there. So I'm here and he's down. I stay on my feet. I'm tracking that thigh and that knee, so from coming in, I can slide right in, and now my elbow is free to move up into this underhook as I shoot through. Sometimes the biggest thing I see go wrong here is we get this knee and hip, and they start, maybe I get them pushed down, and they start getting their underhook, and we shoot for something like a kesekatami. And we go, ah, and then they take our back. And that sucks. So, if they have a shallow underhook, and I have this, I can stifle their underhook, and I can move more towards north-south, right? I don't have to respect this underhook or keep going that direction. I can move this direction and backstep, and now their underhook is more of a liability for them. And in fact, it clears the path to now. Or we can move into like a twister side control from there. If we've come down and I'm focused here, that little gap right there can be taken up by my far side hand here, and I can turn. And now we're sitting into a twister side control. But all of that happens, and what we'll focus on most this week is getting that hip, knee control, and knee control so that we can set all of these motions up. Yeah, that's all. Easy peasy.